Eagle in Russia foreigner travels Russia at the opening of the new station. That's me. Guys, I'm Eagle in Russia and I'm in the new station of Gornyi Institut. Go and subscribe. I've seen and filmed them all of the stations of St. Petersburg. Guys, this is amazing. Oh my God, just look at this. Two entrances, one entry and one exit, of course. I'm gonna go inside and explore. Check it out. How does it look inside the Gornyi station, brand new station. Wow, this is, guys, it smells totally new. All right, and here we are, guys. Beautiful artwork. It's like a cave or something. Yes, it is a cave because this is a Gornyi Institut, guys. And this is me going on the first ride on Gornyi Institut, guys. I just passed the gates and check out the beautiful artwork. I like the fact that the guys have helmets with some lights on them. Wow, good little detail. And it has the kind of unordinary lights between the elevators. This is number 73 station of St. Petersburg. And you can see the actual time it takes to travel down. And here we are, guys. This is the new station. Inside the new station, Gornyi Institut, Orange Line of St. Petersburg. The station was initially started in 2014, and actually the work started only on 2017. And after that, it has had many delays throughout the years. It was supposed to be open in 19. It was not prioritized just like the World Cup stations. So that's why it was pushed back. Then the company that built the station was long overdue, and actually it had delays already this year as well, but it's finally open. The mayor said sorry for the delays, but it's finally done. Also the budget doubled. Originally it was like 20-something billion rubles, and now it was the final amount I think was 46 billion rubles, which is divided by 100. You'll get the amount in dollars/euros. This is simply awesome. Gornyi Station, Orange Line, St. Petersburg. We had some beautiful, harbor of St. Petersburg. Well, harbor is not the beautiful, but St. Petersburg is beautiful. Beautiful image over here, and it's different from the one on the other side because here we have some mountains, rocks, and we have a bear over here. Check it out. We have a bear over here. Beautiful detail. There's a bird over here. This station here is actually the end station of Orange Line that continues from Spasskaya there on Cenne Square. Definitely people are very having a great feeling that the station is finally opened. People be waiting for this for many years because back in the 2018 and 19 when it was supposed to be open, they didn't get it. And it's, people have to travel maybe 30-40 minutes longer. And one more detail, guys. It looks in the form of like a, some mineral rock or something, I don't know, something special. We're gonna reach the end, the very end of the station. At the end of the station, which is very common. Guys, the detail amount is spectacular. Guys, I'm Igor in Russia and I'm in the new station of Gornyi Institut. Go and subscribe. I've seen and filmed in all of the stations of St. Petersburg. Look what I found right here on top, guys. A detail. There's another one. And these are no stickers, guys. This is made of rock. And I don't know which, of course, material, but it's beautiful. Guys, this is amazing. All right, guys, this has been the Gornyi Institut of St. Petersburg. The new station opened today, and we are one of the first ones to be here. Go subscribe, push like. Russian metro station is one of the best in the world. And this is a good continuation of St. Petersburg metro station traditions. I'm a foreigner in Russia. Please support my work and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, y'all. We are trying on another station to buy the Celebratory coins, metro tokens. Здравствуйте, юбилейные есть у вас эти? Юбилейные, да, Горный институт. Там я час простоял и передо мной закончилось. Это сколько стоит? 600. Да.
Продавали Горный институт.
Да. Ну и все распродали, да.
Да, вот эти продаются. И вот только вот такой.
Да.
600 рублей. Делаем, да?
Все, спасибо. Alright guys, here we have the Celebratory, or what you call it, and Gornyi Institut token. Metro. This is now part of history. Thanks for watching another of my videos. I do a lot of work showing you reality in Russia and Russia-related places. Make sure to check out the places that you're interested in with the link in the description. There's an interactive Google Maps that you can use to find another places all around the world. Go check it out on a browser. Thanks for watching and leave a like and see you in the next one. Bye bye.